Okay guys! Hello! Magandang tanghali sa inyo. Um, uh, Pangalawa ko na po to, record kasi yung una ko, uh, hindi masyado maganda. Ito naman, hindi na maganda eh. Pero, susubukan ko lang. First time ko po to i-upload sa aking account dito sa YouTube and I hope you like it. Okay? Medyo hindi po maganda yung boses ko, pero gusto ko lang naman pong magpapansin sa inyo. Okay? Okay, here we go. Ooh. These ones were the boys with the booming system. Tapped out AC with the cooling system. When it came in the club, we were blazing up. Get stacked on deck like a saving knot. In the air, for real, he might kind of hip hop got the brothers in the right kind of he go, he's up, he might circle. He always in the air, but he never fly cold chair, motherfucking chip. Sell it on the ships. Waking on my drip, kissing on my lip. Like, that's gonna do it, always be before. And yes, you get slumped if you're looking help. I said, excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. I mean, mama, I like Pelican Fly. I mean, you're so shy. I love your tie. I like sticking to the guy with a thing in his eye. Oh. Yes, I did. Somebody please to them with the FIA. They answer the guy I met in loser, back loser. Oh, you gonna hurt. Get your heard it? Boom. That's super bass. Boom, bass. Yeah, that's a super bass. Boom, 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 boom. You got the boom. You got the super bass. You got the super bass. Sa ngayon, yun ang muna po. Hindi po yung maganda eh. Kasi po, busy po. Dito po kami sa trabaho eh. Yun lang po. Sige, salamat. Maraming salamat po. Bye!